Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 5. Today we will practice about questions in present. So let's start. Mark and Nate meet and one of them starts asking questions about a picture on the wall. Who are the people in the picture? They are my cousins. Where do they live? The two boys live in Mexico and Grace lives in the US. Does Grace speak English? Yes, she does. Do they speak English? No, they don't. Where do they study? They study at a public school in Mexico. She studies in a school in Texas. Do they play video games? Well, Grace doesn't. She swims or dances. Tom and Eric play a lot. They love playing Fortnite. So here we are going to practice some relevant aspects about questions in present simple. Remember, if we are talking about the following people, I, you, we, and they, normally the auxiliary that we use in present is do, okay? As you can see in the examples. Where do they live? Where do they study? Do they speak English? Do they play video games? And now we are going to check what happens when we use he, she, or it. Remember that it, we can use it for animals or objects, yeah? Here we can use it for singular elements, okay? So here you can see the auxiliary that we use is the auxiliary does, and the verb is in infinitive, as in the previous one, okay? So where does she live? Where does she study? Does Grace speak English? Does Grace play video games? These are the credits for the image. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.